Hey guys, how's it going? Hey, well, it's been a crazy day. Today I did all my last minute stuff. I fitted a brand new lithium ion battery to the bike, and the funny thing was I was going to ride it in and get it fitted, but the old battery shit itself completely. So anyway, I went and got the battery and I fitted it. It's all good. Anyway, then after that I went in and I got my mechanic to run his eye over the bike and check it out, and he said good as gold. Alright, now with the packing, quick video. Duffel bag. What I did is I've got the tent, my little chair, my sleeping bag, blow up pillow, and I balked at the last minute and shoved in a proper pillow. All of that stuff is in here, so you don't have to go through it when you're on the road. You can just, that's just out of the way, you don't even think about it. And then the side bags, I've got things like I'm going to have the tripods here, quick easy access if I'm on the side of the road and I want to take photos or something. Okay, so the next thing, now if we look down here, what I've done with my clothes, 4 jocks and socks, 4 shirts, 4 shorts, all that sort of thing. What I do is I have them all separated in clear bags, and then I'm not going to show you me putting them in, but you'll get the idea. They're shoved in these 2 side bags, and when you're pulling up, and let's say you want your toiletry bag, you don't have to pull your jocks and socks and undies and shit out everywhere. You just push the bags neatly aside. Oh, there's me toiletry bag, or there's me bloody undies, whatever. Okay, so once that's packed, what I'm doing with the top box is basically keeping it empty. I've got selfie sticks, chapsticks, sunnies, spare glasses, all bits and pieces that I can use throughout the day. But basically it's empty, so that when I pull up somewhere I can just chuck my lid in there, lock it up and go. And so nice and easy and convenient. Alright, and as far as charging the GoPro and the phone, in this little glove box here, there's the car charger. And so while I'm riding along, I can charge the GoPro, I can charge the new Galaxy 9 phone, and I can also charge the charging brick, or whatever you call it, battery, while I'm going along. Okay, what else? I can't think of anything else. Alright, so I'm going to wind this video up and upload it now, and 7 o'clock tomorrow morning I'll be on the road. Alright, see you later.